Seventh, very important angles. If theta be the angle between two planes, then theta must be the angle between their normals. If theta be the angle between two planes, vector r dot vector n1 is equal to q1 and vector r dot vector n2 is equal to q2, then theta must be the angle between the normals n1 and n2. Then cos theta is equal to n1 vector n1 dot vector n2 upon mod vector n1 into mod vector n2. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse. Theta is equal to cos inverse vector n1 dot vector n2 upon mod vector n1 into mod vector n2. It is in vector form, angle between two planes. Now it's Cartesian. If theta be the angle between two planes whose equations are given, plane 1, whose equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0, and equation of second plane a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0, then the angle between these two planes is theta. The cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon a square root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a square root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Theta is equal to cos inverse this. And last, if theta be the angle between the lines whose equation is vector r is equal to vector a plus lambda vector b, where lambda is a scalar, equation of the line, and the equation of plane vector r dot vector n is equal to q. If theta is the angle between this line and this plane, theta is the angle between this line and this plane, then sin theta is equal to vector b dot vector n upon mod vector b into mod vector n. Vector b, the lines parallel to vector b, and n, normal to the plane, vector normal to the plane. Then theta is the angle between line and plane, then pi minus theta is the angle between the normal to the plane and the vector parallel to the line. Therefore, sin theta is equal to vector b dot vector n upon mod vector b into mod vector n. It's Cartesian form. Cartesian form, if theta be the angle between the line, equation of line is x minus x1 by a1 is equal to y minus y1 by b1 is equal to z minus z1 by c1. We can say here vector a is equal to x1i plus y1j plus z1k. Vector b is equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k. And the plane a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. If theta is the angle between the line, this line and this plane, then sin theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 upon a square root a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a square root a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. It is very important to remember all the formulas to solve the problem. Thank you and have a nice day. Please subscribe the channel and write your comment in each video. Thank you.